Hello, I'm Lee Hawkins of the Wall Street Journal. The Food Network announcing that it will not be renewing the contract of Food Network star Paula Deen at the end of this month, following Deen's recent admission in a court deposition that she's used racial epithets and told socially inappropriate jokes in her past. The question now is, will Novo Nordisk, a pharmaceutical company that uses Deen to endorse its type 2 diabetes drug, be next? It doesn't look good for Deen. Novo Nordisk has put a lot of resources into corporate diversity and sponsoring events that bring diabetes testing and awareness to events that target African Americans and other racial minorities who are disproportionately impacted by type 2 diabetes. Deen issued a statement explaining that she hasn't used the N-word in a very long time and that she's changed, but that wasn't enough for the Food Network. This isn't to say that celebrities haven't been forgiven for moral lapses in the past, but those who have been able to return because they did it with sophisticated media strategies that are based on transparency and being forthcoming, as opposed to closed off and explaining away the moral lapses with excuses. The main question is on everybody's mind: does she have bad character? Those who support her image and her products want to know this, and the company that she's aligned with, they want to know if they have to worry about her character being perceived as bad. The top morning shows reporting that she agreed to come on the Today Show and then didn't show up. That probably didn't improve the perception of her character. Any day now we'll likely hear from Novo Nordisk about whether they'll continue to stand by Paula Deen. She's made a name for herself by being a down-home, plain-talking master cook, and her media handlers seem to have taken a different approach now. She's attempted to take control of the message by refusing to give interviews and directing people to her videotape statement, but it seemed to be edited heavily and it wasn't sent to every media company. Paula Deen is a multi-million-dollar brand with the resources to get the sophisticated advice that it looks like she needs and that she thought she had. The question now is, will the down-home, plain-talking style that made Paula Deen a star in the first place, will that be a better strategy that could win the respect of her fans and keep her on the air? Well, y'all, I can't tell you that. Stay tuned. For the Wall Street Journal, I'm Lee Hawkins.